Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another video for today. So we've got some big news coming out before the market opens with regards to Rivian. So back in September, it was announced that they will be joining Mercedes into building electric vans in Europe. Apparently, they just scrapped those plans. Also, just a couple of days ago, we heard some news that they're going to open a space in Serbia. So are they moving into Europe? Are they not moving into Europe? What exactly is happening with Rivian? Now, at the time of making this video, the stock is down around 2 to 3% before the market opens. Let's see what happens when the market opens and everybody digests this news. So if you're interested in hearing more, sit back and relax, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you have not, and if you want to support me on this channel, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to full.com/couchinvestor. So, news came out right now and said Rivian halts plan for a European electric van plant with Mercedes-Benz. So back in September, the pair signed a memorandum of understanding to open a joint plant in Central Europe to make battery electric delivery vans, arguing that joint purchasing and other synergies would help both companies increase market share faster. And I did a video about that and I 100% understood why, especially for the sake of Rivian, why this made sense. But apparently they made a little U-turn. And well, Rivian said it wanted to pursue the best risk-adjusted returns on their capital investment. Rivian founder RJ said, "At this point in time, we believe focusing on our consumer business as well as our existing commercial business represent the most attractive near-term opportunity to maximize value for Rivian." Of course, we know about, the order that Amazon has placed for certain vans. So there is already that, let's say, certainty of that 100,000 order. But to me, this does seem a bit strange. Maybe in North America, things are more difficult than what they thought. And as for Mercedes, it said it respects and understands the unexpected decision, but will still press ahead with a new site, which it announced will be in Jaworzno, Poland. Matthias Geisen, head of Mercedes-Benz Vans, said exploring strategic opportunities with the team at Rivian in the future remains an option, as we share the same strategic ambition, accelerating the EV adoption with benchmark products for our customers. So this partnership is not off the table. They're still open to partner up again in the future, whenever Rivian is okay to coming back to the table and discuss. But of course, you might say that this is actually a good move because of the current macroeconomic environment and because, Rivian is still burning a lot of cash. And as we can see here, many new players have struggled when ramping up production or risk running out of cash too soon. For example, UK van maker Arrival and US group Faraday Future have both issued going concern warnings that they do not have enough cash to last another year after deteriorating market conditions made additional fundraising difficult. Now, as we know, with Rivian, this is a bit different. As for the last shareholder letter, they had around $14 billion in cash equivalents, and restricted cash. So they still have plenty of cash left to survive a couple of years. Of course, maybe they modeled something out and they said maybe right now is not the right move to move into Europe and to try and grow there because, the current situation in North America isn't as, let's say, great as we thought. And if you needed a little reminder, they had over 114,000 R1 net pre-orders in the United States and Canada as of November 7, that 100,000 EDV order from Amazon, over 15,000 vehicles produced since the start of production, and 67% quarter-over-quarter increase in production. Now, I've seen lots of reviews with the new Rivian, the R1, the R1S, and most of them have been pretty positive. As a Tesla shareholder, I've said it from the past, if I had to choose another EV company, it would probably be Rivian. Now that said, I do want to show you this tweet from Anthony, so thanks to Brandon Flash for sharing about the loose missing underbody fasteners. I checked my Rivian R1T and found 6 missing fasteners and 1 more almost ready to fall out. As you can see on the pictures right here, these are missing or have just fallen off. And if you remember, earlier this year there was already a recall of around 13,000 vehicles to fix structural defects. So there is that. Building cars is not that easy. Now, before that news of the Mercedes partnership that came out, we had other news also with regards to Rivian and a European operation, which more specifically is Rivian opens R&D center in Serbia. So Rivian said that the first employees began working in the previous days, and the company is planning to expand its Belgrade team in the coming weeks and months. Rivian will hire 200 engineers before the end of 2022, and then an additional 1,000 jobs. Wasim emphasized the importance of Belgrade as a place where the best engineers could be found. We need the best engineers, we chose Belgrade on purpose, and I am happy that we can welcome our new colleagues. President Alexander Vučić said that Rivian's expansion into Serbia is of great importance and places the nation on the innovative technological map. He says, "We have been working on this for at least a year and a half. This arrival is very significant for us. Rivian is the most innovative company in the whole world when it comes to electric vehicles." I guess loose bolts are part of that strategy. He continues by saying, "We brought the best from the world to Serbia. Serbia is the only one that's succeeded. Besides the USA and Canada, they opened a center only in Serbia. No one else in Europe can boast of that," which is interesting to hear now that we know about the Mercedes thing. We also had the US ambassador to Serbia tweet out, "The only thing better than welcoming Rivian to Serbia today was getting to try the product. Their new tech center is an exciting investment in Serbia and its people, and a clear vote of confidence in Serbia's future. And the ride is amazing." So we have two different stories here. One, Rivian opening up an R&D center in Serbia to probably help future plans in North America or maybe in Europe in the future. On the other hand, we have that news of, well, that partnership with Mercedes to build electric vans is now, I won't say cancelled, but probably on hold until further notice. What you do with that information is up to you, but obviously do share your thoughts down in the comments below. It's probably a move to save some money. Otherwise, I don't see why they would do that. But hey, let's see what happens. Obviously, again, do share your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe that subscribe button. And I see you all in the next one. Bye bye.